Hi, I'm Carlos, the head mechanic at Fully Charged. Today we're helping you install pedals at home. Man's pulling out the pink gloves. Prior to installation, pedals need to have anti-seize paste or grease on the threads. Now we do that already for you because we assemble every bike and we test ride it. Therefore, when you receive the bike at home, your pedals already have anti-seize paste on them. And you have to pay attention before installing to the right and left indicator. Now they're normally on the end of the pedal axle, or they are just on the flats where you fit your pedal spanner on. So the right refers to the right hand side of the bike, and that is the drive side of the bike. So try not to get that confused if you're standing on the other side or the bike's upside down. It's just right hand side, drive side. And you simply install the pedal and you rotate the axle with your hand until it bites. And the aim is to screw this in with your hand as much as you can, because if you try to use a pedal spanner from the beginning, you'll most likely damage the threads. So that's the case for any fixing any bolt. You'd always try and put it in by hand, and then you finish it with a spanner. So once you've screwed your pedal in by hand as much as you can then use your pedal spanner. Now it's important to try not to scratch your crank arm. So when you put your pedal spanner in, just bear that in mind and just angle it slightly out the way of the crank arm, and then you simply back pedal until it stops. And from this point onwards, you've got to apply force. It's important to have the pedal spanner in a position where you can apply your weight and push down on the pedal spanner. So this position is ideal. Pedal spanners tend to have angled heads, different angled heads, so you might need to flip it around to just get a better position, and you simply just push down and use your body weight to help you tighten it, and that is it. With the left hand pedal, the same applies. You screw it in by hand as much as you can, and when it stops, you get your pedal spanner, angle it away from the crank arm so you don't scratch it, and simply back pedal until it stops. You can then position your pedal spanner so you can apply force, use your body weight to apply force, and you simply push down. Everything we've just done is in your bike manual. Just to add, there are some bikes with pedals that use an Allen key fitting, and we use an adapter. You can use an Allen key or you can use an adapter. Some are 6mm, some are 8mm. We use an adapter that converts it to 15mm so you can still use a normal pedal spanner. Hope this is helpful. See you in the next video.